welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviar. I hope you're all doing well. Today is a bit of a different video. It's kind of catch you up to where I've been and what's been going on. I'd love to give a shout out to today's sponsor, WishBiz. I'm going to link the item in the description box if you want to purchase any of them. This came in the mail today. This matches perfectly. Like, what? These are cute. I'll show you what it looks like on. They are genuine leather. So I have the other Prada re-edition nylon bag. I have it in black and I love it. It's so pretty. If you know, you know. I got a pair of these slippers. How cute are these? Oh my goodness. The Hermes slippers, I love. And it's in this like sandy color. They do run small. I would suggest getting a bigger size, like 2 or 3 sizes bigger. I love my Prada nylon. I have it in black and I wear it every single day. Like, that's my go-to bag. So I wanted to pick up this one. I don't know, what is this called? Like wicker material? It's so cute, y'all. Oh my goodness. The bag is bagging. And of course it matches my fit today. Keep in mind, like, European sizes 38, 39, they always run smaller. So I have these in size 40. I'm actually like a size 8.5, sometimes 9. This is the bag. Oh my goodness, so cute. If you guys have been following me for a while, you know that I've been preparing for my big move, and finally I'm in my new home and I love it. So we're not gonna do a full tour, but I'm gonna show you guys some aspects of my place that I just love and I'm obsessed with. If you didn't know, I'm a plant mom. I love plants. Like, you guys can probably tell from my videos, like my backdrop, I have plants around me. I love plants. This main piece right here was thrifted from Facebook Marketplace and I love it. Show you guys my plant room. Prada bag. This purse is so cute, and I'm also filming on my iPhone. Yeah, we came to this location, but it's raining and it's cold. If you know me, I don't like rain or cold, so we're leaving. Change of plans. We have to abort mission because it's just too cold. I knew it. When you go to the beach, you want hot summery temperatures. You know, hot sunny weather, whatever. But I want to show you guys some of the houses in this like little strip here because they're so unique. Like each house has a totally different vibe. I just saw one that looked like a castle. So I'm just gonna figure out something else to do because I can't waste good hair, good makeup, and good company and go back home. Feels like we're in a different country. Do you get that vibe too?
It's different. Dale's throwing you on.
Yeah. It's just, yeah. Just behind the camera like this. What am I supposed to do?
Let's go, babe.
Imagine sun shining, pink clouds in the sky, and everything is right.
To show you guys my OOTD for walking the dogs. And I got all my cute little purse.
You have to make a wish. Nothing's ever in your way. Scoring every shot you make. No, you've never heard of pain. Because you're just high on life. Every day is Saturday. Life is sweet as birthday cake. Why can't it just stay this way? Like you wanted to. Like you wanted to. 24/7, like 24/20 for heaven. Oh, nothing but blue skies, a totally peaceful mind. Never need a second try. No, you get it right the very first time. It could be the best of days, it could be the best of times. Why do we need the troubles? Why? Why do we need the troubles? Why? Nothing's ever in your way. Scoring every shot you make. No, you've never heard of pain. Because you're just high on life.